So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. And now as the scan's running, we're going to complete the next steps in the video. So you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you run this, you want to expand display adapters. Now you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. I'm also going to be leaving down below in the description 3 links for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an Nvidia graphics card, so I'll go to the Nvidia app. And then once you're on our software, you want to click on the driver tab. Now you want to click on check for updates. Make sure the graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. And now for the next step, you want to come back into CMD. Now your scan should be completed. And now we're going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now that's been done, the problem should now be fixed. If it's still not fixed though, some other things I recommend trying is verifying your game files. And if that's still not working, then you just want to uninstall your game and then reinstall it again. And then after you reinstall your game, just try restarting your computer. And then hopefully this will now fix your problem.